What's poppin', squad? How are you guys? I hope you guys have been okay. It's been a minute and a long one for that. Yeah, but I've been okay, I guess. Just dealing with life and trying to figure a few things here and there out. Yeah, but I hope you guys are keeping it safe, especially now that the COVID-19 is in Kenya, and my heart goes out to all the families affected in the countries, and may the people we've lost due to this virus rest in peace. And above everything, I just hope God keeps us all safe and that He comforts us during this pandemic period. Yeah, and I hope it too shall pass and we shall move on with our lives. Yeah, so guys, I hope you're self-quarantining. Yeah, please don't be out there. Just do what you have to for others and for your sake. Yeah, I just thought maybe instead of just being in the house and being sad and maybe overthinking on everything, how it's falling apart, like I can take this time instead to create more detailed content for you guys. And so in today's video, we're gonna be doing an eyeshadow how-tos. That's the major concentration in the next few videos that I'm gonna be doing. So today we're gonna concentrate on how to apply your eyeshadow. Yeah, step by step, beginner friendly and nothing complicated, no cut creases, just normal eyeshadow. Yeah, and I hope you stay tuned. Please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And for the new members, karibuni sana, please feel comfortable. Karibu sana in progress, because we only progress in this channel. Yeah, so if you wanna see how to blend your eyeshadow and how to apply eyeshadow, please keep on watching.
Thing that can save you, gotta do that makeup, boo. Do that makeup, do that makeup. You've only got 10 minutes, so put your face on. Foundation first, but don't forget that.
Yeah, so guys, definitely for eyeshadow you need a palette, and for today we're gonna be featuring Zaron Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. As you guys know, I'm already like in collaboration with Zaron, where I just use their products to create looks for you guys and how-tos for you guys. So we're gonna be using this nude eyeshadow palette in the name Earth, and yeah, we're just gonna play around with the colors and show you guys how to apply. Yeah, so in as much as we're gonna be featuring Zaron, the next thing you definitely need brushes. And for eyeshadow, it's all about blending, guys. So definitely you need a fluffy you need a fluffy brush like this one. This a cute one. I got it from Boys. And you guys, by the way, Du Bois, however you call it, I always feel like it's the it, especially when it comes to tools like the brushes, the beauty blenders, the lashes, you know, all those tools that you need. And then you also need like a flat brush. Yeah, so definitely you need these two brushes. I feel like they're the essential when it comes to eyeshadow blending. This one is for blending, and this one is for like specifically applying, like when you want to be, you know, especially on the lid, like you need to use a flat brush for that precise detail, and not to, because it's not for blending, it's for applying, and it's easily applied with a flat brush. Yeah, so guys, that's the tools that we're gonna be using today, and so we're just gonna be up close and personal on this bead and show you guys how to apply your eyeshadow. Yes, concealer, and in this case I was using my concealer in the shade Toffee from L.A Girl. Yeah, you can get this at Vitafarm. You guys know I have reviewed them before. Yeah, and also I had already done my whole face. Yeah, so I had done the foundation, contour, everything else. I'm just left the eye. So I'm also spreading the concealer on my eyelid as so with a flat brush, and then later I'm just gonna be blending it with a tiny bitsy blender that I got from Du Bois. I got them as a pack of 4 at 200 bob. They're very tiny and precise to the detail. Again, I just don't want to just blend for the sake of blending. I want to blend and make sure the concealer just sticks at the eyelid. Yeah, because again, I've done my face, I don't want to mess that up. Yeah. So the key to eyeshadow, it's blending from the time you're putting in your base, and a base is very important. You can use either primer, eyeshadow primer, or concealer, but it helps the eyeshadow to stay on for longer. Yeah, then the next thing you want to do is set that base of yours, whether it's the primer or the concealer, with some Sacha buttercup or any loose powder at this. Yeah, and sometimes I just set it with a matte eyeshadow. Yeah, you don't necessarily have to do this all the time. Yeah, but setting is very important because you don't want your eyeshadow to be creasing, or even your concealer, before you work the eyeshadows out. Like the other eye, you guys can already see I have some creasing going on there, and it's not cute. Yeah, so we are taking in our palette, and we want to start with a transition color. I'm taking the orangey shade from the palette, and it's named Coral, C-O-R-A-L. It's orange in color. Yeah, and you want to use a very light, almost your skin color eyeshadow for your transition. But then I'm building it with the Dune shade in the same palette, and I'm adding it directly to the crease area because I want it to be more defined, to be more like to show depth of the crease area. When it comes to like the transition shade, you want to hold your brush all the way from the outer part because you want to have less control, so that blending is easier. Yeah, so mine, I just added in that. And then from the same palette, I'm gonna be taking Mocha. It's the last shade there. It's like a very deep brown. It's not a black, but it's a dark brown, and I'm mixing it with the Sahara. It's in the same palette. And so basically you just wanna go with a fluffy but flat a bit brush and add it to the outer corner of the eye. And you want to be precise because you don't want it to smudge. You just want to add it right on the outer part of the eye. So just build it up. You can start with kidogo, you continue building it up, and then using the fluffy brush that you use with the transition color, you can always blend because we don't want the harsh line. Like in this tutorial, I just want you guys to see how to blend eyeshadow without leaving harsh lines. Yeah, so you just blend it in. You don't need to add more products, or if you do, you just add the transition colors. And then next we are taking the same sand, and that's what we're gonna be using for our eyelid. It's a shimmer, and for me, for eyelid, especially when I'm not doing cut creases and all that, I always prefer to go with a beautiful shimmer because I feel like it makes your eyes pop a little more. And for this also, you want to apply as you blend with a flat brush, nothing crazy, because again you want to be precise. And as you can see, like I'm holding my brush very close to the bristles area because I want to be precise. I want to be in control of the brush. But when it comes to applying, you want to hold it closely to the bristles so that you have more control, and you apply the shimmer exactly where you want it to be. Yeah, so next we're gonna work on our down eyelid, and basically I'm just going in with the transition shade and the outer part shade, and I'm just gonna blend and smoky out the lower part of my eye with those shades. Again, you just wanna blend. We don't want any harsh lines, whether it's on the upper lid or the lower one. Yeah, and you blend to your satisfaction. And then I'm just adding in some gold shimmer from the same palette, the Bear shimmer at the tear duct area, and just to make my eye pop a little bit. Yes, like that. Nothing too crazy, just as simple as possible. Yeah, then I'm taking, because I feel like this eye was so a nude, nothing crazy. So I'm taking a blue liner just to add some color on that makeup. Yeah, and this is a Davis eye pencil in blue. You can get it at Dubois as well. Yeah, so that's how it's looking. It's popping, it's looking cute. I love it. As you can see, it's all blended, and you can keep blending to your perfection. I mean, no harsh lines. That's what we're avoiding. So just blend seamlessly. Yeah, but basically that's how you blend eyeshadow. That's how you do a simple eyeshadow without having to do a cut crease and everything. This can take you at most maybe 5 minutes or 10 if you are a beginner, but it shouldn't take you more time than that. Yeah, so for those normal day beginner friendly eyeshadow blend, this will do. Yeah, so I also did an wing liner, which I recorded for you guys separately. It will be the next video after this, and then I did the how to install your lashes, and it will be the video after the wing liner video. And yeah, so this is how it's looking. It's blended, it's seamless, and it's beautiful. Yeah, if I did it, you guys can do it, and I love the outcome. Yeah, so let me guys know what you think. Is it easy? Tell me. Yes, so guys, finally this is the finished look. Yes, so I just did the wing liner, and I added in some lashes, and also highlighted my brow bone up here. Yeah, but basically that's how you blend eyeshadow. Please let me know if this video was helpful to you, and it's just a simple makeup look. Eventually we will maybe try play around with more colors, and maybe cut crease, how to do a cut crease, how to do a smoky eye, and all those good stuff. But for this, it's like a 3-step: a transition color, and then there is the outer part where it's supposed to be a darker color, and then there is the shimmer where it's on the lid. And we use just the 2 brushes, a flat brush, a fluffy brush, to blend. And with those steps, I'm sure you're gonna be doing these bomb looks. Yeah, I have also filmed the liner step by step on how to do a wing liner. Please check that out on the next vlog, and also have done how to fix in your lashes. So if those are some of your areas that you want to learn on how to do those things, please check out my next video and my next video after the next video, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so guys, I'm so happy to be back, and I can't wait to share with you guys. Sometimes it's crazy that I don't even know what I should share, but I mean if it's a calling, or if this is what God wants you to do, He'll always provide content for you. And I really hope you guys stay safe. Please take precaution where necessary. If not for you, for the people next to you, your neighbors, your country members like myself. Yeah, and we'll also be doing the same. And above everything, let's pray for each other, that God may take control throughout this crisis and difficult times. And above everything, be grateful for life, and remember positive vibes only, no negativity. And you, yani wewe, you can do anything you put your mind to, because God Himself got you. Till next week, guys. Bye.